So reasons why the church condemns come-we-stay marriage. Why is it condemned? Come-we-stay is whereby it's just like cohabiting. Yeah, in basic terms, it's cohabiting. Whereby you get someone's girl and then you start living with her and enjoying everything. Or you are on the receiving end of the benefits of marriage. But yet, you are not married. That is what we call come-we-stay. So it is condemned because it's against Christian teachings. It is also because it encourages abortion or death. It encourages abortion whereby, because now you're already in that come-we-stay marriage, you're going to be practicing the conjugal rights that are supposed to be done in marriage. And now because your marriage is not it's called formalized. Yeah. You will tell the dad to do a what? An abortion. Because you do not want the child. All the people who are in come-we-stay marriage do not want the marriage. Especially the men, not the women, especially the men. Because they do not want to do what? To commit. If someone wanted to commit, they could very easily go to the church, tell the priests, go to your family, pay the dowry. So it encourages that abortion, and also it encourages death, because most of the violence that's in marriage, in the people who are living together of the opposite sex, this is not a marriage, comes from come-we-stay. And there's battering, and then it causes death at the end of the day. Also, children lack identity, because in a come-we-stay, they don't know their origin. You've never paid dowry, so the wife doesn't know where the husband comes from. It also undermines the institution of marriage, because these people who are in come-we-stay are getting the same perks as the people who are what? Married. Yes, yet it is not a marriage. It is cohabiting. It also promotes unfaithfulness or lack of commitment. Someone who is in a come-we-stay, you've not formalized things, whether it's traditionally or in the church, they can easily be unfaithful because they are not committed to you. They are still looking for that partner that they want. If they were committed to you, they could have done what? Formalized things. And it encourages irresponsible sexual behavior. On the same note, because they've not committed themselves. From there,